Alrighty, 8:58, 2 minutes from the Oil Legacy Open at 9 a.m. Eastern. So it's time for me to start taking a look at what's going on. Hmm. Oh, you know what? I'm not sharing. God. Oh, so sorry, everybody. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, Andrew. You just saved the day. I had a note up here for everybody on screen saying, well, here it said this. I had that note there for you, and I was like all prepared, except that I didn't share my screen. But details. Whoops. Anyway, thank you, Andrew. All right, so let's see here. Well, we've got UB on both ends. That's fun. Look at that TPO. UB on both sides. That is interesting. There's that dang word again. Interesting. Well, but we're closer to the top than the bottom, but not massively, and we opened pretty much dead center. Most of the volume is towards the top, but yeah, not massively so. It's pretty well balanced. There's kind of two distributions, you could sort of say, but yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna have to let this open up, see what it wants to do. I am running my copier this morning, and since my combine, these evaluations, these Lulu evaluations, it took me too long to get the copier ready, so there's no possible way I could pass them and follow their rules and pass in time before they expire. They expire in a few days, and plus the holiday and everything like that. So I'm gonna burn them. They're done. I don't care. It's just R&D cost. So I'm doing 2 lots in them today. I'm just gonna go all out. See what happens. Why not? I got nothing to lose. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get. And all right, let's see. We're pushing up. Okay. One contract price rejector. But we're not really coming down. Now we are. Okay, you know what? I am going to go ahead and if we push low, well, yeah, now I don't love it so much. Yes, I do. I am going to go ahead and get short here if we can push lower because there's interest to the downside. There it is. Okay. We're not done. There's some UB. Going to hold off from protecting. Come on. Oh, come on. Got that UB there. That was a good opportunity to front run that zero print for some more. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and protect now. Ooh, got UB. Excellent. Go ahead and protect here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, let's back off. Yeah, you know what? I'm out of my funded over here, but hello, come on. I'm gonna get back in. Same thing over here. Boom. All right. I am short in both accounts, actually all accounts, as you can see here, all my copied accounts. Okay, I'm mostly watching my funded since these evaluations. I mean, I'm just testing the copier here. Really, I don't care what happens with them. They're done anyway. They are burnt and cooked to a crispy crisp. Okay, we filled in the zero print, but we still got that UB down there. Price rejector at the top. I still like this for a short. So far, not able to push above the open. We're kind of stalling there. That's probably a good spot for adding an extra one. We got a price rejector right here, but I'm not going to add. I'm going to stick to 1 lots. I made that mistake yesterday. I got sucked into first period oil, A period, and I got sucked into adding second contract, and just monkey came out and yeah, did a number on me. Come on. It's definitely not got any push to the upside at the moment, but this oil, that could change in a heartbeat. Okay, a little teeny push up. Oh, like that. Okay. If this goes, price reject. It's going. I'm out, 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 out. Okay. I think we may have a long now. I'm going to go ahead and get long. If we push higher, we got UB. I think the overnight high is likely in play now, given how much closer we are to it and that we're now rotating up. And there we go. Okay. Go ahead and protect and protect. Beautiful. All right. Let's see. Good, 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 good. All right. We do appear to be underway to the overnight high. Looking good. I like it. I like it. I like it. We don't have a price rejector, but it's kind of stalling out a little bit. All right, fine. I got some ticks on that. Let's see. I will get in if we push higher and possibly pull these to enter a little sooner if it gives me a nice clean. No, okay. Well, we'll go higher anyway. We got UB there. I'm going to go ahead and get in now. All right, I'm long in both. There we go. And let's pick up and go. Let's get some momentum behind it, shall we? Okay, min delta. Deltas are the wrong way around though, so I'm liking the energy to the upside. I'm still liking the overnight high. Pullback bar though has got UB. It could come down a little bit further. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Okay, now we've got a price rejector. No, we don't. Oh, sorry, almost a price rejector. Not quite. And delta did move. Max delta's way up here now. Okay. Yeah, buyers aren't giving up though. They're still lifting. So I still like the overnight high. I like the UB. Come on. Ooh, nice little aggression to the upside. Good. Let's go. Here we come. Ta-da. There it is. All right. Let's see if we can get a nice aggressive push up. I'd love to see it just blast through all this thin area. Get these old zero prints. Resolve the overnight high at those zeros. That would be lovely. Here we go. Let's go. Come on. There we go. There's some aggression. Left a zero print even. Very nice. All right. And we are underway. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now we're talking. All right. I'm out in the funded. Nice price rejector right there. I'll just get out here. Cool. All right. So, whatever. I basically recouped that that initial short that turned around on me nastily. So, I'm up, almost nothing. I'm up a couple ticks, whatever, after commissions. But, we're still going. But, I'm not going to. It's tempting to want to grab a little bit more here, but it just, I don't, that close to the overnight high. I don't want to do it. Oh, although that would have been pretty sweet. That's okay. All right. So that is it for me for oil for a period. All things considered, not terrible. It was a little bit of a tricky read out of the gate in the first place, just because UB on both ends. It could have done anything. Who knows? And it certainly did start out wanting to be a short, but it changed its mind. And obviously we took out the overnight high. So all in all, not terrible. Let's see what the next period brings. I'm going to go ahead and get my equities. You know what? Actually, I should take a look. Duh, I forgot. How did the copier do? Copier. Okay, so all right. Sweet. It worked. I'll be damned. I'm up 4 ticks in the master account, and I'm up 5 ticks in each of the copier accounts. That's a thing of beauty. Let's see. Where's my... I think I can show this to you guys. If I do this, Yeah, ignore the infinite zoom here, but you can see over here on the right-hand side, this is my portrait monitor off to the right. I'm using OBS to record my video. Oops, and I forgot to hit record on that. Oh, well, it's all right. And you can see here, 5 ticks, 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 5 ticks. So, yeah, that's not terrible at all. Sweet. Let's get that out of the way. So now, in fact, if I go here, if we pop open our trade, let's do it here. Let's go trades. Here we go. And let's do symbols. Let's go. What is the symbol? That is CLG2 NYMEX. That's not right. Is that right? Wait a minute. Is this including? No, wait, that is it. Gosh, I did that many trades. Didn't feel like that many trades. I guess it was. I don't know. That doesn't seem right. Hang on. Because this would have been the master, and the master only took 4 trades. And the slaves took a lot more. Uh-oh. Okay, that's a bad sign. Yeah, like this here. Okay, yeah, there's something went dangerously sideways. No, actually, I take it back. I take that back. No, actually. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? 2-lot. Duh. If I go flat to flat, there we go. I forgot I was on 2 lots. That makes much more sense. I was like, why is there twice as many contracts? I'm confused. Yeah, there we go. 4 trades, 4 trades, 4 trades, 4 trades. Every single one of them, they're in lockstep. Oh my God. It didn't make an error. I am sitting next to myself. I am beside myself. Wow. That is bloody awesome. Wow. I'm just so pleasantly surprised that it worked out so nicely. Boy, that's ugly though. $560. Woof. That was ugly. Oh, but it was a 2-lot. So, that's what'll happen in a 2-lot if you get off sides. That's the thing about size. It cuts both ways. But yeah, wow. And I don't see any slippage either. Then how am I a tick off? Something's. Oh, wait a minute. That doesn't match. Why are you 160 and the rest are 260? Okay. That's peculiar. Because I don't see that on the actual account. Well, anyway, it basically worked. So that's really promising, considering how many different ways it can go horribly wrong. So I'm pleased with that. I need to change the from date. Really? That's weird. It should have been on today. Yeah, it's on today. Today's the 21st now. You're absolutely right. See, I was up all night. So, I was up at the midnight crossover. And so it didn't change anything. It's still showing the same data because I wasn't trading my evals, wasn't trading the combine accounts. I was trading the Sierra sim while I was testing overnight. But anyway, thanks for pointing that out. Appreciate it. Cool. All right. Well, then I am going to take a little breather, stand up, stretch, all that good stuff. And I will be back in a little bit for B period. Let's change this lovely message now that you're actually here and you can see my screen. A period concluded. Back for B period. And I'll just leave that like there. That'll work. Cool. All right. You guys do whatever it is you like to do. I'm going to step away and I'll be back in, I don't know, probably 10-ish minutes or thereabouts. In fact, I'm going to set a timer just so that I don't forget. Cool. I'll be back. All right, let's see. What do we have going on now? Where's my mouse? There we go. All right, so, okay, we have nothing on both ends. on the equities, huh? Or on, well, let me rephrase that, on ES. In fact, let me get well, actually, I don't care about correlations at the open anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So we have no price projector on either end. We're a lot closer to the top than the bottom. How is the top? Okay, it's not a price projector because we don't have opposing aggression. We got 76 contracts at the end. That's a decent number as well. That's, firmly in the we might not be done yet camp. We've got a much quote unquote better low, but still not a price projector, but only 4 contracts at that extreme. So, if anything right now, my bias is up, but open on ES has screwed me over in a not pleasant way plenty of times. So I'm going to not jump the gun and assume anything. I'm going to just let it shake itself out, do its thing. Oil, B period, B to A. We don't have a price projector at the top, but it could become one pretty easily. I would rather see UB up there or something. That'd be nice. But all right, here we go. Boom. There's B period in oil, A period in ES. We're open. What do we got? Okay, we're pushing up. I am liking this for a long in ES. Let's see if we can get it. We ran some stops down at the low. All right, so it stopped me in and then it instantly reversed. Isn't that lovely? Okay, deltas are the wrong way around though. We're above min delta. We're holding up here. 37 contracts up at the top. I mean, I know it's early, obviously, on the open structure. It's not all that. What's the word I'm looking for? Structural? I don't know. But delta's flipped. Okay, deltas are the right way around now. Buyers are okay. Ooh, nice upward sweep. All right, the buyers are asserting themselves. That's what I want to see. Come on, gang. And oil. Yeah, oil could have a little push up here. All right, let's see. We're trying to push higher. And there we go. All right, now, there we go. Now we're talking. We go ahead and protect. Beautiful. I think we're underway in ES. Oops. Hello. And I lost my server connection. Well, that's not good. Wow. What the hell just happened? Session was closed to a concurrent. No, I didn't blow anything up. What the hell? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. That sounds like bloody Lilu. Somebody's logging in. Oh my God, stop that. What are they doing? Oh, this is messed up. This is severely messed up. Okay, I've got to get flat. I don't know what's going on. If I can I even get flat? Flat. Okay, did it work? Yes, it did. Okay, got me out. All right, so I'm intact. But what the hell is going on? Who is logging into my stuff? Somebody at Lilu is logging in, but I haven't blown anything up. So what is up? Lilu, what are you guys doing? I'm not good with this. I'm really displeased, in fact. Because here's my accounts. Oh, maybe I did. Did I blow somebody up? I think I did. Wait, no. What am I saying? These are 25K combines. Never mind. No. Nobody's more than, a couple $100 off. What are they doing? Oh, that's really annoying. All right, I am going to go ahead and get long here for continuation to the upside. Deltas are the wrong way around. We still haven't gotten to the overnight high yet. Wait a minute. Whoa. Hold it. All my accounts. Oh, crap. What the hell happened? Oh, that screwed up all my accounts and my copier. Oh, my God. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you're all okay. Ugh. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm long here. My copier is not working, however. Okay, so I have no copies running. This is really frustrating. I am most displeased with whoever at Lilu decided they wanted to go log into my accounts. That's just not cool. All right, come on, let's push higher. All right, oil's really not making its push higher, but its deltas are the wrong way around. Do kind of like it for a long. I'm going to go ahead and get long oil as well. Okay, come on, oil's pulling back. Mostly paying attention to my fundeds or funded fund. Well, I guess it's funded, but two instruments. Oh, this might be it for you. Well, no, yeah, kind of. The buyers keep popping it back up again. Yeah, okay, big delta overnight now. Don't like it. All right, I'm out there, and oil. Okay, oil. Not sure what happened over there, but that's okay. And my Lilu here, I don't really care what happens about that. So I still, let's see, where's our low? Our low is way the hell down there. So I still like this for a long. And given that these are dusted anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and sit in it because why the hell not? I literally have nothing to lose. So, all right, my copies. Whoa, wait a minute. Hang on. Oh, my copies are long. Oh, what the? Okay, hang on. Flattening. It's not working. Okay, well, flatten, 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 flatten. Although really, I suppose there was no harm in letting that go. But still, oh, now of course it's going to come back. That is very confusing. All right, well, I am severely rattled by Lilu apparently deciding to log into my stuff while I'm mid trade. That what is up with that? That is just. Has anybody ever seen that happen? You ever been trading and you have not blown anything up? You're not at risk of drawdown, nothing like that at all, and then suddenly your eval company starts logging into your stuff while you're trading? Or am I just the lucky winner of today's annoyance award? Oh, really, Jeff? Okay, so it has happened. The only time I've ever seen that happen is when either I had passed something, and so they, but I hadn't logged out of my accounts yet, and so they're logging in to check that I passed it, or when I've blown something up. But actually, when I blow something up, it locks you out. So that has really actually has never been an issue. So yeah, I don't know what that was about. That is really not cool. I am super, super unhappy about that. So I wonder if there's a way. I'm trying to figure out. Well, you know what I could do? Hold on. I got an idea. I am going to. You guys can't see this, but I'm going to go ahead and actually, no, not what I meant to do. Well, actually, no, that is okay. Okay. So I am long in my copies. Actually, I meant to do this one too. Oh, fudge. Let me do this. Oh, wait, no. Okay, let's use the right thing. Okay, so here's oil. Good. All right, so I'm back long again in all my copies in oil. That's fine. Now ES. Okay, good. Everybody's flat. Cool. All right, so everything's okay. I like that the deltas are still the wrong way around in ES. I do still think the overnight high could be in play. I like a possible long here. I was liking it from down here, but I was a little late. I was still pondering it when it already started to move. Max delta. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and lean on max delta. Can I get? See, this is not triggering my copier. What's up with that? I don't understand. All right, I'll take. Oh, what the? Oh, that was weird. Copier all of a sudden reacted. I wonder if it's because my position sizes aren't the same between them. Let's find out. Does that work? Oh, hello. Okay, come on. Come on. Will you give it to me? Ah, I think we may be on our way. There we go. Oh, I tried to. Oh, didn't work because of that. Okay, I got out there. Wait a minute, something weird happened. That was a profitable trade, but something weird happened. Okay, I don't know what that was about, but something very odd happened with that. I'll have to go back and review the video later. I need a sip of tea. My now very not so warm tea. Where is? Oh, never mind. Yeah, overnight high spec, way down there. Okay. We still got UB at the top of ES. We're pulling back again. Okay. Ooh, hello. Okay, price rejector on the pullback bar. And nope, nope, nope. Looks like ES might want to be turning around and heading down now. Leaving UB behind. B period could get interesting. No. Stalled right at the open. Huh. We filled in the zero print down there from the stops earlier. Interesting. Okay. Oil again flirting with getting back up here towards the high. I'll get long ES down here, leaning on max delta. If it can come down, give it to me. Do it in the funded as well. Will it give it to me? Oops. Maybe. Oh. Oh, max delta just moved. Or actually it had moved. It's been moving back and forth. Yeah, now it's playing. Going back and forth. Okay, there we go. I am long. Yes. Might have to abandon this idea. So far, holding. Nope. Get out. God, more hotkey delays. Ugh. Oh well. All right. Well, I mean, the low is way the hell down here. I mean, it's possible. Could decide to just make a run for it. I don't know. But not really feeling too clear about this since we got UB up at the top and we're heading lower, but we were heading higher. We had a decent amount of aggression getting up there and then just oil is still just playing with this area. Deltas are still the wrong way around, but it is not making a run for its A period high the way I wanted to see it do. Getting a little bit of absorption happening here at the low of ES. That's kind of interesting. I'm gonna see if I can. No, maybe not. Nah. Oh, of course. It's not a price rejector, but it could become one. Nope. Actually, maybe. It's still not quite. It did the job anyway. Oh, and oil. Looks like oil stopped me out. Cool. Wonder if I blew anything up. Now I'm curious to look. Let's see. I actually want the satisfaction of blowing these things up at this point. It's like they're going to expire in a couple days anyway. I might as well. No, actually, it looks like I'm not even close to blowing up yet. I've got a fair ways to go. So, okay. Well, did I have a stop? But I didn't have a stop in. I'm not sure how that. No, I must have hit. Oh, you know what? The daily limit. Yeah. I probably hit the daily limit. So I did probably just fail at least some of them. In fact, actually, I'm still in my other ones, aren't I? Am I? No, no, they're all flat. So yeah, I think I hit the daily limit in them. So yay, combine's blown up. Combine's blown up. Ugh, can't talk. So all right. Oh, Lilu doesn't have a daily limit. Oh, well then I don't know what that was. That's odd. I don't think I have that. Nope, I don't have any of this enabled. It's all turned off. So, huh. I don't know what got me out. Well, whatever. Yeah, maybe it was the trailing, although I didn't really get any profits on these because I never really got them running because the copier wasn't working. So I don't know, whatever. In fact, actually, here's to find out. Can I put an order on? Nope. So yeah, it's blown. I wonder. Here, let me see. Can I put a little order on anything else? What happens if I go by? Yeah, buy the bid, 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 buy the bid. Yeah, can't put an order in anywhere. So yeah, they're done. Yep. Trailing drawdown, the most evil of the rules that any of these combine companies, eval companies, whatever, they come up with. It is just such a stupid and evil rule. Okay, so we got a nice price rejector down here at the low now, but we're heading down. So, but we got UB up there. Ugh, yuck, yuck. That is my official take on this. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. I like the price rejector down here, but oh, you know what though? I'm at oh yeah, whoops, hello. I'm actually beyond my personal daily drawdown limit that I allow myself. I totally missed that. This is the hardest thing about trading multiple instruments, multiple accounts is juggling if something gets offsides. Tracking the other stuff because especially Sierra doesn't report your P&L for the whole account. It's per instrument. So I tend to I'll look at this and go, okay, so I'm down this much. All right, fine. I know roughly where I am. And then I forget like, oh, wait, no, but in another instrument, I'm down a little bit more. So I got to add those together in my head. And, I should like put up actually, I should, you know what? No, actually, there isn't a way to do actually, no, I think there is. Anyway, whatever. I'm just thinking out loud here, but a convenient way to be able to see what your total P&L, total drawdown for the day is across all instruments in a given account would be a useful, handy thing. All right. Well, That is annoying. I'm still steaming over that Lilu logging into my stuff while I was trading. I feel like sending them a nasty email just to be pissed off. Yeah, exactly. Another one bites the dust. I mean, these ones were done anyway. I mean, I never even really got a chance to use them. Today was the first day I really did anything serious with them. I did a few little like tests just to see if they were working a few other times. I think there was actually one other day where I actually did trade with it with the copier and it worked. But for the most part, I didn't do much with it. So, God, deltas on oil are still the wrong way around. But it's just not picking its lane and moving. Got a funny price rejector up here too. 11 with 11 opposing and 28, 28 exhausting. 11, 11, 28, 28. That's goofy. Today's date is a fun one too. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. I like funny dates. All right. Well, ES is just continuing to push lower. So yeah, maybe the overnight low is in play after all. Jeez. Sure looks that way. But I am done for today. So yeah. Got a little carried away with all the stuff I was trying to do. 325 contracts just hit at the bottom. That's interesting. Doesn't feel like we're going to just reverse all the way back up to the top right now, though. But I mean, it could. But certainly looks more like the low wants to be in play. We've got an old weekly POC down here, too. So this is a volume area down here around 71-ish. Oh, 45.64 is the 50% retrace. Oh, look at that right there. Right around an old zero print. Oh, that's from yesterday. Oh, wow. Okay. That's a good point, David. I do have the video. Obviously, I recorded the whole thing. So, is the Lilu login message in the Sierra chart log? That's an excellent question. It probably is. Nope. See, it might. I don't understand this. My service log, this is the way it's been lately. It's just blank, always blank. I don't understand that. It just, whoops, not what I meant to do. Let's try that again. I just don't get anything in the service log. I get trade activity log, but that's just my actual trades. Like I want to see, the service data. I want to see what happened with the service, which normally I would see. Well, actually, what happens if I refresh trade data from service? Does that do anything? I don't think it does, but I don't know. And normally, you guys know what's in this log. I mean, it's all kinds of stuff. This is usually super busy and super full. And it's just empty, always empty now. I don't know why. Very weird. Doesn't make any difference what menu I choose it from, right? No, it couldn't. Yeah, it doesn't make any difference. Message log, there wouldn't be anything. Yeah, message log. So that's blank too. Anyway, actually, you know what? Here, let's take a look at what does the trade service log look like in my other copy of Sierra. Yeah, see, this is what I'm expecting to see. This is on my funded, but there I get nothing in Rhythmic. Oh, you know what? I wonder, because I'm using the new Rhythmic Direct Connect. I wonder if this is like incompatible with the service log or something weird like that. I know this is still a fairly new feature, whatever. But possible. But it's very frustrating to just get no log. Let's see here. Black font on a black background. That's an interesting question. You know what? Oh my God, it could be. Oh, you might have just figured it out. Let's see here. Global graphic settings. Let's go to. This isn't chart text. What is this? Well, would it be under? No, it wouldn't be under fonts because you don't do colors under fonts. Colors are strictly here. And I never changed it that I know of, so I don't know how that would have happened. But what would that be? General text window, background color, foreground. No, foreground color is white, so that ain't it. Not a control bar. Status downloading. Blah 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 blah. Download failed. No, it's none of those. Time and sales. Nope. It's definitely not time and sales. Main window background. Yeah, that's fine. Settings window. Chart dome. It's not a chart dome. It's not chart trade window. Trade orders window. Nope. Trade account monitor. Nope. Quote board. No, it's not a quote board. Bid ask. Nope. Spreadsheet. Nope. Yeah, I don't even know where you would change that. And whoops, actually, I wonder, you know what, can I? No, you can't click and select anything. You know what? Hey, here's a thought. Copy log. Oh, hey, hang on. What happens if I paste? Oh, looky there. Looky there, looky there. We have data. So you are absolutely right. It is there. No, it's not. What the hell is this? This is this is stuff out of my spreadsheet. What the heck? How did this, what in the hell? This is some of this is my spreadsheet stuff, but some of it's not. This is actually, oh no, I know exactly what this is. This is actually a raw paste from the spreadsheet. So yeah, there is nothing here. Nope. So copy log copied nothing. So it just was the last thing in my clipboard, which was copy paste. Oh, hello. And I'm long some copy accounts. Hello. How is that possible? What the? I thought these wouldn't let me get. Okay. Wow. I am befuddled, to say the least. Wow. Okay. Well, I don't understand what's going on. This is bizarre. I am somehow so strange. Somehow I'm long oil in 3 accounts. Three of my copies, but I have no idea how. All right, screw it. 10 ticks. I'm just gonna flatten. Whatever. Yeah. Copier is so twitchy. Sierra is not built for that. And my attempts to build one are not really working out all that well. Where is he? Yes, there you are. Looks like CL wants to break its low. Wow. Or sorry, that's ES. What am I saying? I was like, wait, something's wrong. Duh, that's ES over here on the left. CL's on the right. Yeah, that makes much more sense. I wondered how the heck we got all the way down to the lows. What? Yeah, that's more like what I was expecting to see. Well, anyway, well, let's see. What time is it? It's where's my clock? It's okay. We got a minute to go for B period. You know, just for giggles, I'll watch B period ES open, but I'm done. I've I've accomplished the blowing up of my evals, although strangely, I guess not, because some of them are still working. So I don't know. I don't understand that, but it doesn't really make any difference. They're done anyway. And I've hit my daily drawdown anyhow. So in my funded. So this has not been a great week for me. The structural stuff has just not been behaving or normal conditions. But I mean, it's Christmas week, for crying out loud. Like, I don't know what I'm expecting. Why would I think it's going to be anything but awkward at best? So I'm definitely being a little delusional if I think that somehow this is going to be just, business as usual in the markets. Pretty silly. But then again, I mean, my A period trade was the one good trade of the day, and that happens a lot. I've noticed that my A period oil trade is like the best trade by far, and then I'm oftentimes it gets me to my daily goal, and then I'm done. And I really like those days. I really like being done after one trade in the morning. So yeah. What are you gonna do? All right. Well, I don't really have anything else worthwhile to show. I've got some more tinkering to do with the copier. I do still want to get this to at least a point where I can use it somewhat reliably, maybe ish, but I'm not super confident that I'll ever really be able to get it there. It's so twitchy, and there's so many different ways it can go horribly sideways on you that yeah, I don't know. I may be better off just not doing it at all. I mean, Lee's using copying, but much simpler. He's not using a fancy, anything fancy to do it. He's just using the built-in Sierra copy method, and it is extraordinarily limiting. Too limiting for my taste. Very frustrating to be so restricted in what you can and can't do. So I don't know, but he's able to make it work for him. So I don't know, maybe I try that or something like that. Yes. So answer your question, Amy. Yes, we do have Q&A today at 9:00. I think it is. Gosh, I don't even remember what time Q&A is at. I think it's at 9. No, wait, where am I? Today, Tuesday. Yes, 9. Yes, 9 a.m. Pacific. So noon Eastern. And yes, there is going to be a Q&A today. We have at least one good question that was in the Q&A thread. And if anybody thinks of anything else that you want to ask for today, toss it in there. Got plenty of time to do it. But yeah, I am going to maybe go pester Lilu. In fact, I wonder if I could get an email from them or anything. Let me see. No, I got nothing from them. So who knows? But I think I'm going to go pester them. Find out what the heck is up with that login thing and who's logging in my stuff while I'm trying to trade. So, and as far as like exploring what happened to me here on the Q&A, you mean as far as that weird login thing? Yeah, I don't think there's really anything we can do to explore it, unfortunately. Especially if I can't get a log, and I'm gonna tinker with that too, try to figure out where's my log. Why do I not get a log? Because I don't think there's any way you can disable logging, at least not that I'm aware of. If there is, I didn't know about it. I don't know how I would have disabled it, but see. Yes, I mean Sierra Chart server settings, but heartbeat logging detail. I don't need detailed heartbeat logging. I just want basic logs. Whatever. Anyhow, I'm gonna go dig into that and tinker. And yeah, I mean, obviously, I can clip out a piece of the video, even if I want to send it to them. But I mean, to what end? I mean, what's it going to get me? Free reset, and then I get to pay a full priced subscription fee to them. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. They are not getting 8 full price subscription renewals out of me. No way, no how, not gonna happen. So this was an experiment, but I learned a lot about stuff I was trying to do in spreadsheets and kind of where the limits are of the built-in Sierra copier, which is really limited. Oh my God. It really isn't even, you can't even really call it a copier. It's not, it's really not. But I learned a lot. That was the point. So, $100 research or R&D fee is what it was. So you find what annoying, Amy? What do you have annoying? What do you find annoying that you minimize? Oh, the message log. Yeah. Oh, you can turn that off. You can. That's in. God, it's been so long since I've turned it off. It was so long ago. I think that's under. I think it's under general trade settings, notifications. Yes. Open the trade service log when a new message is added, right there. And if it's on yes, which it defaults to, then every single time you do something, you're going to get that stupid pop-up. Really irritating. So yeah, straight away I turned that off. I was turned off years ago. So I had forgotten where it even was. So yeah, exactly, Robert. The SC copier, and honestly, Flatten is sketchy. I have found that Flatten sends an opposing position entry order to every account that's linked, which is not necessarily what you want when you want to get flat, because especially if something has gotten out of sync, then you end up getting instead of getting flat, you actually get short or you get long or it's a mess. So Lee talked about that. He mentioned that the other day in one of his sessions where he's in the habit now of, he doesn't use the flat button. He actually goes the other direction. So if he's long, he'll sell at market, or if he's short, he'll buy at market. It's just, it requires way too much attention. That's the frustrating thing. I don't like it at all. And I hate that the fact that you can't move orders around is just horrible. That's ridiculous. That's why, what I built, let's see, will it even take an order? Oh yeah, well, yeah. So you can, oh no, that's right. It won't take an order. All right, let me close you guys. Let me just switch this real quick off Rhythmic to the Sierra Sim Evaluator. And there we go. Copy master. And these are all on. Oh, really? Oh, God, it doesn't remember that. Every time you switch data, it forgets all the accounts you had selected. That is so dumb. But there are no bugs in Sierra Chart. It's the greatest software ever written by the greatest engineers in the world. Don't you know? Anyway, so, what I did, you can see here, it's like, here's my orders. And if I move them, they cancel and remove, they reposition. So that was the big thing that I wanted, was just the madness of not being able to move orders just made me completely crazy. I want to get long, boom. Oh, except that it failed. See, there we go. It failed. All the copies failed except this one. Don't know why. So this is the thing with the copier. It's so freaking twitchy. I cannot get it reliable enough. So I have a feeling I may pack this project in and just call it, a fun experiment. But I'm gonna wait. I know Lee is pondering building a proper trade copier for Sierra. Now that he's playing with trade copying, hey, look at that nice little long I just caught. Hey, what do you know? Of course, see, now watch what'll happen. See, it's going to get me out here, and then it's going to get me short. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, I'm surprised. I thought for sure it was going to get me short in all these other accounts. Anyway, whatever. So if Lee does actually go ahead and build a proper copier, he'll do it. He'll do it right. He'll do it way better than anything I can do. So I maybe just have to wait, sit tight for that, because this thing just does not work reliably enough, and it's maddening when it goes sideways on you. you end up with, a few accounts long, a few accounts short, this account flat. So I can't cancel. I can't get flat from here because it's already flat. So I have to go flatten these individually. It's just a mess. It's really, really fugly. So anywho, yeah, using it with one extra account, it's still, the problem with that is it's still, the unreliability is still a factor. It just, one account, 8 accounts, it's just, it's hit or miss. It just, there's so many different ways that it can go wrong. Because the way I'm doing it, I mean, the spreadsheet approach is a total kludge. I mean, it is not designed for this. Lee was actually a bit surprised that I managed to pull off a few of the things that I had managed to pull off. It really is not meant for this. So I'm seriously bending the limits of what it's meant to do and not to do, and pushing my luck. So, oh well, whatever. I learned a lot. It was a fun project. Taught me some things, and it might have given Lee some insights into his own copying explorations. So maybe we'll all benefit from that in the future. So, fingers crossed. We'll see. Anywho, I think I'm going to wrap it there. Maybe go see about harassing somebody at Lilu. I want to go back and review the video and watch that and say, what the hell was this? And maybe there might have been a message in the pop-up that came up about the login. At least it was a timestamp, I'm pretty sure. So maybe I can at least contact them and say, hey, at this exact time, these times, somebody logged in and kicked me out of active trades. What the hell? So cool, gang. All right. Well, thanks for attending, and Q&A again in a couple hours. So if you got any cues that you would like to toss them in the Q&A topic, and we'll see about doing that. And holiday schedule this week. So I don't even actually know what it is off the top of my head, but I know AMP sent a thing out. In fact, here it is. Christmas holiday trading schedule. Thursday, normal close. Oh, okay. But the markets remain closed until Sunday. Interesting. Okay. So basically no market activity whatsoever Friday, or Saturday, of course. And then, so it just reopens as normally on Sunday. Yes. Okay. So Friday. Basically, that's what it boils down to. One day. So Friday, the market's closed, and that's it. Yeah, exactly. That's it. Okay. There you go. All right. So, oh gosh, what will we do with ourselves for Christmas? We'll come up with something. All right. Cool. That's that. We'll see y'all at the whatchamajigger Q&A. That's the word I was looking for. The Q&A. Till then, getting a massage. Now that sounds like a good idea. I like the sound of that very much. Cool. All right, gang. Catch you soon. Bye-bye.